This is something about Muslims that most people don't know. You know the Muslims that work with you? Abdul, Khalid and Katie. Well, before that thing, you know, Sharia law, even though they follow Sharia law and they live in the UK, doesn't mean that they want Sharia law in this country and for everybody to follow it. Not trying to turn this country into a country that follows Sharia law. Muslims don't think that England should be like Saudi. They don't even really think about that. Do you know how I know? I know because I follow it too and I feel the same. Bet you didn't know that, did you? Yup.
Jika ada pertanyaan siapa yang paling tepat untuk menjelaskan miskonsepsi tentang Islam di Eropa, jawabannya adalah warga Eropa sendiri. Karena orang cenderung lebih nyaman mempercayai sesama warga lokal dibandingkan dengan orang asing. Disinilah peran mualaf warga Eropa menjadi sangat penting. Contoh yang keren adalah wanita bernama Abigail Andre ini, seorang mualaf yang punya gaya kocak dan tengil. Dengan gayanya yang unik, ia berusaha mengklarifikasi banyak miskonsepsi tentang Islam kepada para pengikutnya.
This is something about Muslims that most people don't know. You know when you've got a savings account, you get that little extra bit of money on top, you know, just to keep your money in there. Muslims can't actually use that. They can't keep it. It's got to go to charity. So every year, I've got to ring my bank and ask them to take the interest off that I've earned and give it to charity. Yep. We're not allowed to keep interest, to charge it, or consume it. Bet you didn't know that, did you? Yep.
Dari komentar di akun Instagram Abigail, terlihat jelas seberapa parah miskonsepsi yang ada. Misalnya persepsi yang salah tentang derajat wanita dalam Islam yang dianggap setara dengan kotoran manusia.
I bet she's either lying or doesn't know her religion. FYI, a woman is at the same level as feces in the Quran. What planet are you on? You got some corned beef hash to be eating. Anyone I can call for you, because it sounds like there's something wrong. Sonny Rack smoking the hard stuff again. Better go get him. On a serious note, where do people get this stuff from? Like, a woman's status in Islam is so high. I'm sure many men are jealous. Like, feces. We wash ourselves 5 times a day for prayer. No feces here. But you might have feces, because I bet you don't have a lotter at home. Random parts of the Quran, it doesn't say that there at all. Imagine having this much time online, just make up nonsense.